Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Monday, March 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar, pound US dollar, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to continue to trend up. I still personally think it is eventually going to go up on this monthly time frame, take out these highs. I still believe it's going to eventually end up at one of these higher Fibonacci extensions. Now, this is the monthly time frame, so that's going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up looks like a 1. It looks to me like 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C compared to the wave A. Definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat wave 2. If that is true, that means that this would be a 1, this would be a 2, and that this would possibly just keep on going up for a wave 3. So I'm definitely still looking at this as going up for a wave 3, unless this week's news events proves me otherwise, which it definitely could. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this 5 waves up is a wave 1, subdivisions of a wave 1. I still think it looks like an A, B, C, D, E pattern, most likely for a wave 2. I think this push down that we're currently getting is nothing more than a correction to this last wave up right here. I think there's a very good likelihood this is going to make a higher low and just keep on trending up for here. I bet this is all just subdivisions of a much bigger wave 3 like I was showing on the higher time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it definitely seems very, very clear that this is 5 waves down. Seems very clear that this is a correction. Now the question is whether this wave C is going to end prior to Wednesday's news or not. It looks like it's just about complete. Maybe it does need to go down to bounce off a fib level first before it goes up and breaks structure, but I would definitely be looking for evidence that this is the end of an ABC correction, especially on shorter time frames like a break of structure to the upside, because we definitely don't want to miss out on this long opportunity, especially if it is a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, if we get like a significant break of structure, which for me the break of structure would be right here. If we do get that break of structure, to me that pretty much says that the ABC is over and that we should start looking for longs in an uptrend. But if we don't get that break of structure and you do trade on the 1 hour time frame and under, I actually think you should still be looking for shorts. It is definitely still going down, and it probably is more likely that it will go down to at least one of these lower fib levels. Maybe end up doing something like that, making another lower high, lower high. So, I mean, if you are a short time frame trader, I think you should probably still be looking for shorts. If you are more of a long time frame trader like me, then I think you should be waiting for the impulse to move up, waiting for the break of structure, and then waiting for the pullback after the break of structure to go long for the continuation of what I think is just a subdivision of a much, much larger wave 3 on like the weekly and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to take a look at my new website, linked down here in the corner. So as always, happy trading and good luck.